various forms of equation of straight line. The second one is slope intercept form. Equation of the straight line having slope m and y-intercept c is y equals to mx plus c. The equation of the line in slope intercept form is y equals to mx plus c. X-axis, y-axis, this one is a area. So a line passing through like this. So this is a y-intercept. Y-intercept is c. That means this point is 0, c. This point is 0, c. So any point on the line is in the form x, y. So let the slope of the line is m. M means what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. y2 minus y1 that equals to y minus c by x2 minus x1 x minus 0. So m equals to y minus c by x. M into x equals to y minus c. Mx plus c equals to y. Y equals to mx plus c. This is slope intercept form of the equation of straight line. The next one is slope point form. Slope point form. What is slope form? Equation of the straight line passing through x1, y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. If the straight line is passing through the point x1, y1 and the slope of the straight line is m, then equation of the straight line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. This is called slope point form of the equation of the straight line. X-axis, y-axis, this is the area. So maybe the straight line like this, straight line passing through the point P x1 y1. Any point on the straight line is a x, y. So what is the slope of the straight line? M equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is already x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So m equals to y2 means y minus y1 by x2 means x minus x1. M into x minus x1 equals to y minus y1. So y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. This is a slope point form of the equation of straight line.